Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topic name is Story. Children, do you like a story? So today I will tell you one story and after that I will teach you in Hidden Gems book. So the story name is The Secret. The Secret. Now, see. What is this? A little drop of water. Once upon a time, there was a little drop of water named Sylvina. Little Sylvina was looking for something to do. So she flew through the air to see what she could see. And she said, I wish I had something really fun to do. So then she saw something in field. You can see the fields of crops. They were very dry and had no water. You can see the cornfield, yes, became very dry and had no water. The corn was burning in the sun. All the leaves of potato plants were wilting, whimpering and crying. The beans said, you can see the beans said, I am so thirsty, said Sylvina. But where are your tears? Still whimpering, the beans said, we are dry, that even our tears are dry. The sun continued to shine and its heat surrounded everything. The earth was very sad from seeing how all the plants were suffering. The little drop of water looked at all the plants and said, no, I have something to do. I want to help all these plants. But little Sylvina wasn't sure exactly how she could help. So she hurried over to the corn and asked, how can I help you? The corn slowly opened their eyes to look at the little drop, and they also look at the potatoes with wilted leaves. So the corn looked back at the drop and began to laugh. Ha ha ha. How can you help to us when we all are so thirsty and very hot and dry? Then suddenly the corn laughed so hard. Ha ha ha. Their leaves began to shake and crackle. The leaves made so much noise. So you can see that the potatoes sleeping nearby woke up, and angrily the potato asked, why are you laughing so loudly? Then the corn replied, after looking at all the plants with the wilted leaves and the dry tears and seeing all this dust covering everything, this single little drop asked to me how it could help me. Hearing what the corn said, the potatoes become very angry. You can see in this picture the sad, angry and shouted at the drop, the only thing that you can do for me is to wake up me, and you have already done that. When I was sleeping, I wasn't feeling thirsty or hot. But now that I am awake, You have caused me to suffer. Go away quickly. Listening to all of these, the bean said, the potatoes are right. Go away from here. The sun did not speak anything. It simply looked down and became hotter and hotter, burning all the plants still more. The drop slowly began to leave. They are right, she thought. I am too small to help all of these plants. While she was thinking, the drop heard the voice of the earth. And the earth said, I am very old and I have seen many things. If you come here, I will tell you how you can help. The drop went nearer and listened to the earth whisper in her ear. The drop simply smiled brightly as she listened to the earth whisper to her. When the earth finished, she jumped up and ran off quickly to do what the earth had told her. Soon, Sylvina came back and the corn opened their eyes again. But this time, they did not laugh. Instead, they opened their eyes very wide, surprised at the power that the drop now had. The drop had come back with all her sisters and brothers. You can see in this picture all the brothers and sisters. So, she had so many brothers and sisters that they kept coming all day long. The rain refreshed all the plants, cleaned their leaves, washed away the dust and chased away the heat. The plants were very happy, you can see in this picture, but they were also very sorry that they had laughed at Sylvina and had told her, go away. All together, the plant shouted, we didn't know the drop could do so much. Thank you very much. The drop said, the job was not very difficult. With the help of all my brothers and sisters, when we work together, our unity is very powerful. The potatoes, whose face were wet but now from tears, asked, and what was the secret that the earth told you? Tells us. Then little drop replied, see, the earth reminded me that from very little drops, long rivers and the giant seas are made. So, dear children, what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is that when we work together, our unity is very powerful. So now take out everyone page number 2 and 3 from Hidden Gems book. And students, what you will do in this? Just now I have told you the story, The Secret. So, in this story, you have seen there are some characters. According to that characters, there are some pictures given in the page number 3. You can see this is the page number 3. These all the characters you will cut and you will paste according to the story. That story I have taught you, the secret story. So, in this story, you have seen that first which character it comes? a little drop of water. That name, it was Sylvina. So you will first cut from here and then you will paste in this page number 2 in box number 1. This is the box number 1. So you will paste in this. And after that, after a little drop of water, who has come in the story? The cornfield. Yes. So you will cut this picture from here and you will paste in this box number 2. Now, after cornfield, who has come in the story? Sun. So you will cut the picture of the sun and then you will paste in this box number 3. And after sun, who has come in the story? So, dear children, the beans. Yes, na? So you can say the beans are here. So you will cut this picture and you will paste in box number 4. Now, after beans, who has come in this story? Potatoes. So you will cut the potatoes and you will paste in this box, the box number 5. Now, after potatoes, who has come the story? The Sylvina brothers and sisters. Raindrops. So, you can see, you will cut this picture and you will paste in this page number 2, box number 6. Understood? So, first of all, you will cut all the pictures according to the story. You will arrange it and you will paste in page number 2. So, dear children, you will complete at home in Hidden Gems book, page number 2 and 3. Thank you.